Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my BoxyCharm unboxing, and it is opened because my daughter's boyfriend opened it up thinking it was hers. She also receives a BoxyCharm. So a little bit of information about BoxyCharm before we get started in this. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box, and you can get it for $21 a month. It does come with 5 full-size items in it, and they typically range from up-and-coming brands to high-end brands. I do love BoxyCharm. It is my favorite of the subscription services because you get 5 full-size items. It is, and for super cheap. Like every box I've received is at least $120 value, and I'm paying $21 a month for it. When in reality, actually, I purchased my subscription for a year at a time, so I received my subscription boxes at a discount, so I'm only paying like $19.25 a month for it. If you're interested in BoxyCharm, I do have a referral link down in my description box for you to go ahead and use, click on, and all it does is get me points if you want to use it for referring you to it. So I hope that you'll try it. It is an amazing subscription box for those of you who are into it. So when we open the box, the first thing we see is the card with this month's theme on it. It is Galaxy Glow. And on the back of that card, it does have all the information about what is in this box. Also, it says hashtag Boxy, and it's got all the little different places that you can go to. We also have a Cover FX Extra You 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com using FX Charm, which I might use to get myself a new illuminating setting spray because I got that in a BoxyCharm and I fell in love with it, and I'm afraid it's gonna run out soon. So the first thing I see when I open this up is our Cover FX item. It is the Shimmer Veil, and it is in the color Amethyst, I believe. Yes, so it says it's a pearlescent cream perfect for the eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease. We will see. On my old eyes, maybe. Ooh, that is super pretty. So this is a liquid eyeshadow-ish, or something that can be used anywhere. It is this shimmering veil in Amethyst. So let's look at that. It does come with a doe foot applicator. And oh my god, that's so pretty. I might have to wear that tomorrow. That is so pretty. So pretty. I'm super excited about that. Every item I've received from Cover FX I have absolutely loved. So I'm not sure about the brand, you know, because I had never tried a Cover FX item until BoxyCharm. But every item I've received from them I've loved. So the next item I have is a pure, what is this? Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and it looks like it's just a clear pencil. It does feel gritty and sticky. And it's not sticky, but almost like waxy, I guess. I do have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna put it on, but it does look like there's quite a bit of product there. I guess I should have checked to make sure it was retractable before I started pulling that up, and it is. Wow. This isn't it either, so there's quite a bit of product there. I can see that lasting for a very long time. I'm not mad at this. I do like lip exfoliators. My lips tend to stay pretty dry all the time. I do have sugar scrubs that I use often because my lips stay pretty dry, and I'm trying to get more into this whole lipstick routine, so I'm not mad at that. I really enjoy pure products for the most part. There was a palette that was sent in one of our BoxyCharms that I really didn't like much, but the last several pure products that we've received I have enjoyed quite a bit. The next thing I pull out is a Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. What I will say about this is it's not huge, which is okay. Ooh, it's really soft, which is not bad. It's super black, which is good. It looks like it would... Yeah, it's almost too soft. It just smudges away. It just turns into... It just smudges away. That's okay though. I would say that it doesn't act any differently than most pencils I have encountered before. But I just totally threw that. I would also say though that I don't tend to use pencils that I have to sharpen. I like me a retractable pencil. I don't really prefer pencils that I have to sharpen. I do have some, so I'll go ahead and put it into my eyeliner drawer, but like I can't say that a black eyeliner is any different than... Black is pretty standard for subscription boxes. I wish they would just send a crazy color, just once. A crazy eyeliner color. Just once, just one time. Not mad at it. I do like me a black pencil, but I wish it was a retractable one, and I wish it was a crazy color. The next thing I see in here is 3 brushes from Crown Brush. This is exciting. I am a brush hoarder. Those of you who watch my channel know that. These brushes remind me a lot of... Let me just take out one at a time. These brushes remind me a lot of the Wet n Wild brushes, so with white handles and the pink tips. They look exactly like the Wet n Wild brushes. These guys are super soft too, and they don't appear to be like fraying at all. Ooh, those are so soft. I do like the ergonomics of these brushes with the little divot for your finger. I think that that is nice. There's a couple. There's one on this end and one on this end so that you hold it, right? But I also don't tend to hold my brushes clear down here. I tend to hold them out here a little more. So I probably won't get a whole lot of use out of those divots, but I am a brush fiend, so I'm super excited about these brushes. Looks like we have an eye brush. Looks like there is, this is probably like a face brush of some sort, maybe a blush brush. So soft, you guys. These are super soft brushes. And then it also looks like we have maybe like a contour brush, which is funny because I just purchased a contour brush. I should learn not to do that. But this is the Crown Brush 3 brush trio. It's like an eye brush and 2 face brushes. Not mad at. Super excited about that. And the last thing we have in here is an Ofra magnetic palette. Looks like Ofra magnetic palette, and a blush in Winter Rose Glow. Seems like a pretty color, so we're going to pull it out of there and see exactly how pretty that is. I really like their little containers here, so this is what it looks like. And swatched. It kind of it's kind of funny. It kind of reminds me of Feisty by my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush, which is almost gone. It's actually in my project pan, and it looks a lot like it, so I'm actually super excited about that. And it is in a magnetic pan to put in this palette, but I might save the palette because I just bought a magnetic palette, so it's not quite full. Or maybe I'll put it in there and think about getting some more highlighters and blushes to go in that, and that will just become my highlighter palette. Highlighter and blush palette. So I'm going to grab the card and talk about how much these things were. So the Ofra Cosmetics, that's really neat because I just received a Ofra liquid lipstick in my IPSY bag. You guys probably saw that video already or will see that video soon. And this is a brand that I wanted to try. It was on my list of brands I want to try this year. So I'm really excited that I have 2 different items from this brand that I can try out. So this pop-up palette is actually a mini pop-up palette, and it is a $19 palette, regular price. And the blush is $12 regular price. And then the Cover Effects Shimmer Veil is actually a $28 item. And then the Crown Pro Trio brush set is $29.99, so we'll say $30. We're just going to round up. $10 each brush. So this alone, well, shoot, the palette alone pays for my box. This alone more than pays for my box. The Pure Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator is $17. And the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil is a $21 eye pencil. I feel like that's a little steep, if I'm being honest. Like, I would never, ever spend $21 on a pencil, an eye pencil I had to sharpen, ever. Like, I don't care what kind of quality it is, never. So I feel like that's steep. So the value of this box was $127, and I paid $19.75. So I'm definitely not mad at the value of this box. While I do think that that pencil's price is a little bit steep, I feel like everything else here is priced within, you know, a reasonable range. We did get Ofra Cosmetics, which is sold online, and it's also sold at Ulta. I can't remember if it's sold at Sephora or not. Cover Effects sold at Sephora and I think Ulta as well. I could be wrong on that though. Pure sold in both high-end environments. Crown Pro, I don't think they're sold anywhere, but I have been onto their website and they have some pretty spendy items for kind of an indie brand. And Vintage Cosmetics is also an indie brand, and I do have a highlighter from them that I also received in a BoxyCharm that is fantastic. So while I think that eye pencil dollar is a little steep, $21. That's crazy. $127 for this month's box. Not a bad price. This is probably the lowest retail value of a box that I've received thus far, and I've been getting BoxyCharm for like 6 months now.
7 months? Yeah, this is my 7th month.
Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Let me know what you're most excited about. Let me know what you'd love to have received in your BoxyCharm that I got that you maybe didn't get. I know that there's only a couple of items typically in BoxyCharm boxes that are not the same or a variant that you can get. So I'd be interested to see who got some of the items that were variants that you could get that I did not get. For instance, with the Ofra palette, you could either get the Ofra palette with that one blush, or you could get a Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette. And I'm really actually super glad I didn't get that. My daughter's not, because she wanted to trade me, and for those purposes I also wanted to get that for her. But I would have been really angry if I'd have gotten it and she'd have gotten it and we couldn't have traded. But my Aurora Glow kit looks the exact same as that Naked Cosmetics, so I didn't want that palette for purposes of me. But I do know that there were a couple variant items this month, so let me know what you got. I'm anxious to hear. Also, if you're a YouTuber and you have your BoxyCharm YouTube video up, please let me know. I'd love to go see it. I'm kind of in this realm of trying to support other small YouTube creators, and I'd love to watch your video. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now. Please go watch that video and get in on my giveaway. I would love for one of my loyal subscribers to win that. One of my any subscribers to win that. I'm so grateful for every single one of you, and so excited to send off a package of all kinds of goodies that are not mine. Like, it was just as much fun shopping for you guys as it is shopping for me. I hope that you will want to subscribe on your way out of here. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and you want to see more. And again, thanks so much for watching me, guys. I will see you later. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.